So I was 2 years old when I found out about this dish from my Indian wife that I've been married to for 16 years. And she only decided to tell me today that this dish exists, and she knew about it and she never told me about it and she never made it for me. And it's called aloo chokha. Okay, so here's the thing. I love mashed potatoes. It's one of my favorite ways of consuming potatoes. Well, chips. But in any case. And I love spicy food, and this thing has chilies in it, which makes it spicy. And I love mustard, and it's got mustard in it, and it's got onions, and like you can put garlic and all that. But I mean, it's like literally the greatest dish ever imaginable. And I only found out about it today. And when I saw it and I asked her, she went like, "Oh yeah, no." And she's never, in the 16 years that we've been married, and like the 18 years that we've known each other, she never once offered me this. I'm the type of person that when we have puri and potatoes, I actually add mustard sauce to my puri, because it's and she never thought of. I don't like her anymore. I still love her, but I don't like her anymore.